Hey guys, welcome back to the Handy Fixer. We got a new tool in the shop today that I wanted to share with you. I've been on the quest, well, I'm always on the quest to have multi-purpose tools in my Vito. So, I'm just minimizing space and have all of the capabilities that I'm looking to have. So, I used to have two gear wrench I would say cheap screwdrivers in my bag, a flathead and a number 2. But I came across that Klein has an option here with a single shank screwdriver that is adjustable from 4 inches up to 8 inches. You can take the shank out of the handle. It's 1/4 inch, so you can use the handle for all kinds of different things, which is really versatile. 32751 is the part number on it, and I picked it up just a little bit over $20 on Amazon, but it is a fantastic tool. I'm really happy with it, and it's just reversible. You pull out the shank, you can put it in the other way, so it's 4 inches, so it's basically the same length as the screwdrivers that I had in my bag, but you pull out 2 screwdrivers and replace it with 1. So it's really really a cool tool. I love things that Klein comes up with. One thing that I think is really nice about it is the girth of the handle. I really like their comfort grip handles. And the play, or the lack of play, in this particular screwdriver. So if we extend it out, there is no play from the shank into the handle, which I can't say that is the case for all tools like this, not necessarily from Klein. Some of the Klein has some play, but this one here in particular, this handle, they've done something in the inside of it that really makes it a really tight tolerance, and I really like it. But it's a great tool. I would add it to your tool bag if I were you. It just seems like one that is really versatile. One thing that if I did have a gripe about it, is how you extend or pull back in the blade is a little backward to my thought. So you want to push this collet in to extend it, or you pull it out to put it back in. Seems a little backward to my thought, but I just may be backward, I'm not sure. So if there's one gripe that I have, it's probably that, because it's backward to my other tools that I have. So when I get this guy out, I kind of have to recalibrate what I'm thinking to get it to go in good. But if you have other tools that are 1/4 inch shank, you can utilize this handle with them, and it's really nice. So we've just got this quick tool that I had in my impact here. So you can put that in there. So that's just where this head is really awesome. You can just switch it around to whatever you want. Not all of the tools, or not all of the extensions or blades out there have a shank on it that is going to work with that. It has to be one that has the sides on it. Any of the round ones, of course, it will only go in up to where these flat sides end on them. But it's a really cool tool. I would certainly recommend all of you adding it to your tool bag. You can actually buy this handle all on its own, and you can buy the different blade sets. I think they have square end drives. They have this one that you can buy in the set, and it includes another one that you can pick up. I think that the handle by itself is I would have to, I'm not 100% sure, but I think like $18, and the blade sets you can get for $18, or you can buy the whole package with the one blade that I have here, the the Phillips #2 and the flathead with the handle for a little over $20. So it's good value. Let me know in the comments if you guys have this tool or if there is maybe something else out there that you think is like this but you like better. Leave that in the comments for me. Also, if there's any tools that you want me to feature on the channel, be sure to leave me a comment with that, and we'll be sure to check it out. But until next time, guys, be sure to give us a like and subscribe. Appreciate all of you, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.